Guys, welcome back to next script channel. Okay, so today's video I want to show you step guide on how to purchase a meme coin. Okay, I've not done this particular video before, but if you pay attention, this is a life-changing video. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to be listing the three apps you're going to be needing as a beginner to start trading a meme coin. So if you follow this video, you're not going to have any issue at all. So first of all, you go to your Play Store. So let me first of all turn off my don't disturb. I don't want anybody to call. So now let's go to our Play Store and search for Bybit. Okay, depending on your exchange you want to use. So here I'm going to be using Bybit. So I'm going to search for Bybit. Bybit is a very popular app, so there is no anything to lose. So I've already downloaded this app. So I'll click on open. So I've opened my Bybit. This is my Bybit. So now the second thing I'm going to do is to download a Phantom wallet. So I'll be listing this for you. Download a Phantom wallet. It's very, very important. Phantom, just search for Phantom wallet. Once you download this app is very, very important as a meme coin trader. Okay, so now you have downloaded your Phantom wallet. So now the next thing you are going to download is what we call desk screener. You need it. So once you download desk screener, you have to open it too. So here I'm going to be mentioning them and their features, their function. So the first thing to go through is your Bybit. So here you can use Binance or Bybit. The first thing to do on your Bybit is to buy a coin. You can use either P2P depending on your country. You can use a card deposit to buy a coin depending on your country, but make sure you have a coin USDT on your wallet. So now you're going to be needing to convert your USDT to Solana. You can convert, let me say, $100 USDT to Solana. Once you have done that, I have coin on BTC, not on USDT. That's why it's showing insufficient balance. So once you have done that, you have to withdraw. Okay, how to withdraw? Click on assets. You're going to see a withdraw button here. Let me mark that for you to see. Once you click on withdraw, it's going to take you to a place where you put your wallet address. After selecting the coin you want to withdraw, make sure it is a Solana wallet. Okay, how to copy your Solana wallet or your Phantom wallet? You go to your Phantom wallet, click on receive on this page. Okay, receive. So once you click on receive, it's going to pop your wallet for you. You can either copy, which I do. Make sure you copy again for you to cross check. You go to your Bybit, withdraw, and once you have a Solana, the wallet is going to be here. You have to be here. Click on withdraw and put your wallet and withdraw. So now let's go back to our Solana. So here we are back to our Solana. So here you can see I have only $80. This money I grow it from $50 to $80 just now. So here I'm going to be mentioning how to purchase a coin, which a meme coin here. So how to do that is you make sure you know the type of meme coin you want to trade. So here you go to your desk screener. I love to trade a popular meme coin. So there's a coin that have made me a lot of money, thousands of dollars. So this is how to filter them. So here I'm going to filter based on 5 minutes. So it's 5 minutes trading coins. Okay, so there's a coin I want to show you guys. This coin, we call it Booty, the ELF. Okay, this coin have made a lot of people millions of dollars. And this coin, let's go to chart so that you see what I'm saying. I'm going to be tagging this coin. This coin is a God gift. Okay, so let me show you how the chart works. I don't know who created this coin, but we are grateful This is not a promotional video, but I really enjoy how the market of this coin works. Not every holder sells their coin here. So let's watch how the market works in let me see, 1 second time frame. Okay, you can see chart and transaction. You can see how many people that are buying, and there's only one. Before one person will sell, and they don't need to sell much. Okay, but you can see buyers are more than the sellers, 2,200. This coin, I'm going to encourage you to buy. Just have at least small $16, $5 to your wallet. So how do you buy this coin? First of all, if you click on the coin, let me click on it. Here you're going to see, if you scroll down, you're going to see what we call a contract address of the coin. If you copy it, you go back to your Phantom wallet, you click on what we call swap. Let me go back and mark that for you, for people who can't see that. Here you click on swap. Once you click on swap, it's going to take you to where you swap the coin. So how do you search the coin based on the contract address? So here you can just click on search here and paste the contract address. Automatically it's going to search out the token for you. Okay, so click on the token, and here you can put, let me say, $0.66, which is $16 is enough. So here you are purchasing over 1 million points of this particular coin. And once you click review order and purchase, I already have the coin, so I'm not going to purchase it again. So I already have $0.54 of this coin, but this $0.54 is going to give me over $100 before tonight. Okay, that is how massive this particular meme coin works. So let's wait for it to boom. But there is another thing I want to show you that you shouldn't fall for anybody. If you want to purchase or be trading a meme coin, you have to be mindful of the coin verification. First of all, you look at the market cap, you look at the holders, look at how much the coin have generated, so that you don't lose all your money. Meme coins is not that hard to trade if you know what you are doing. Like this Rismas, okay, let's use it as example. Here you have the market cap over 38 million. So if you buy this coin, no matter how much you buy, you're not going to lose anything. It's either you earn small, but we're always looking for a coin that have a good potential to boom. So that your $10 can turn to $5,000. So that is what we look at. But if you are new to trading, you don't have much liquidity, you have to look for a coin that people are holding, so that you can make something every time and turn over your coin. Before you know it, you get to a level where you join early buyers. When you buy, like this chill, I bought this coin when it was little, and before now I already made a lot of money. So this is how we look for that type of coin. Let me show you how you can look for that type of coin to buy. So how to do it is click on let me click on filter. Click on filter. I want to show you something new, trading. So here you can select 24 hours. Okay, once you do that, you look at the market cap. Make sure the market cap is over 20k. Okay, like this one, this Y is over 2.9 million market cap. Okay, but the liquidity is too small. Okay, I don't risk that. So let's look for the one that have lots of liquidity. Okay, like this one has a lot of liquidity, 100k above. I can actually jump into this particular coin and jump out, jump in and jump out. So it's very easy. So if you have any issue, you just write it on the comment section and I will fix that for you. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, join our Telegram group for more videos like this.